In today's fast-paced world, businesses that leverage data decision-making outperform competitors in efficiency, in profitability, and customer satisfaction. So, but how do we approach learning data analysis with a focus on business improvement? Let's explore three essential perspectives. Perspective one is that of optimizing operations and reducing costs. For businesses, efficiency means reducing costs and maximizing productivity. Data analysis helps streamline operations by identifying inefficiencies, tracking bottlenecks, and predicting demand. With the right data techniques, businesses can forecast inventory needs to prevent shortages or overstock. They can analyze supply chain performance to reduce delays, identify cost-cutting opportunities without sacrificing quality. Industry tools like Power BI, Tableau, SQL, Excel, R, and other predictive analytics models will enable businesses to track KPIs like operational efficiency, downtime reduction, and delivery accuracy. The second perspective is that of enhancing customer experience and retention. Customer loyalty is crucial for long-term success. If we analyze customer data, we can personalize marketing, we can improve service, and predict future behavior. Businesses use data to segment customers based on purchase history and preferences. They identify patterns leading to customer churn and retention strategies. They try to measure the impact of marketing campaigns for better targeting, because every campaign needs to be measured to see if it's achieving the objective. Customer focused metrics include something like net promoter score, the churn rate, and conversion analytics. Or when they're all optimized through real-time dashboards and predictive models, they support the business. The third perspective is from the perspective of decision-making and competitive advantage. Every business decision, pricing, expansion, and hiring is stronger when backed with data. Companies that rely on instinct alone will risk falling behind. That's why data-driven strategy is a game changer. Business decision makers can use competitive analysis to refine pricing strategies. They can use it to predict market trends for proactive adjustments. They can use it to automate financial reporting and risk assessment. Industry leaders make informed choices using historical data models, sometimes AI-driven forecasting, and interactive reports in tools like Power BI, Tableau, Excel, R. So the power of data-driven business growth cannot be overemphasized. This is used to improve business performance, and the best approach is a blend of operational efficiency by using data to reduce costs and optimize processes, using customer insights to personalize strategies to boost engagement and loyalty, using strategic decision-making to leverage analytics for better leadership choices. Data is not just a number, it's the foundation of business and organizational agility, profitability, and competitive success. So if a business harnesses its data effectively, it won't just keep up with the market, it will tend to lead the market. So whether you're going into marketing, in finance, operations, entrepreneurship, there's one skill that will shape your career, and that is data analysis. So you might be asking, why should we all learn it? Should we focus on theoretical foundations, practical tools, or the ability to communicate insights? Let's tear that processes apart. There's need to understand business theory and decision making. Businesses needs a strong theoretical foundation. Understanding statistical models, probability, trend forecasting helps us to make strategic decisions. Knowing concepts like customer segmentation, revenue forecasting, and risk analysis allows managers to make data-driven choices. However, theory alone is not enough in a fast-moving industry. You need practical application too. So that brings us to the next level, which is you need hands-on learning with industry tools. And why do you do that? Because organizations need to move forward. The industry is moving fast. Hands-on business tools like Power BI, Excel, Python, Tableau, SQL, and the others, they help to manipulate real-world data sets very fast. The ability to extract, clean, and visualize data will make you job ready. Companies don't just hire data analysts, they need business leaders who can interpret trends, optimize strategies, and drive performance metrics. If you can run a Power BI dashboard or build predictive models in Excel, you will become a valuable asset to your employer. The third perspective is communication and storytelling in business analytics. There's something more important, which is communication. Data is useless if business leaders don't understand it. We need to learn how to present insights clearly, avoiding misinterpretation. The ability to translate complex data into clear recommendation is what sets businesses and analysts apart. So whether you're presenting revenue forecasts to executives or explaining customer behavior to a marketing team, data storytelling makes all the difference. You have to know that. Because as a data analyst, you will need to communicate with diverse stakeholders. Therefore, you need to know how to communicate with those people. You can't force information out of them. You can't force business knowledge or insight out of them. You have to communicate properly. So the answer is a hybrid approach is required. Understand statistical models, predictive analysis, and business applications. Use industry tools. Gain hands-on experience with tools like Excel, Power BI, Python, Tableau, SQL, and communicate effectively. Master the art of presenting data-driven insights clearly. Business leaders today need more than numbers. They need actionable intelligence. If you can combine technical skills, analytical thinking, and strong communication, you won't just be an employee. You will be a decision maker.
Thank you for